Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I'll be showing you guys how to do is how to actually record your voice or record your own audio for your videos in Davinci Resolve 18.6. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I've already added a video which has no audio in itself, and let me show you how to add your own audio. First, you want to go into the Fairlight option, which is the second from the right at the bottom toolbar. This is where you actually record your audio. As you have heard, it has already started recording. You might have heard a double voice. I'm sorry for that. However, the way you want to actually add audio is to make sure a few things. First, in the bottom right, you'll see this cog icon, and in capture and playback, under capture, you want to see where your clips are saved, what be they audio or video. Keep that file in mind because that's where your clips will be saved. And then what else you want to make sure, if you have one audio track or two audio tracks, let me just delete the second one. Well, I think you have two by default. Let's say I want to use the first one as my audio track. Go into the input and make sure you select input. On the left, you select where your input is coming from, be it a microphone or whatever. And at the right, you want to select which of the timelines it wants to go to. As you can see, I have audio one left and audio one right. Select them and select the microphone you want. Click patch and it should be done. And now you can click record and you can record your voice, but as you can see, nothing is actually happening. As you've probably seen, I clicked this R icon to stop the recording, and that is arm for record. If I click this, you can hear my voice doubling now. And if I record and say something, you can see it's recording. Stop the video, go back or delete this, and if I play it, I record and say something. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.